Hello! Today we're going to cook fried chicken. If you're wondering how to make this crispy and flaky fried chicken, well, my friends, I'm going to show you today. We're going to need 1 kilogram of chicken legs, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika. Combine all the ingredients and put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Now we're going to make the 3 stages of coating. There are 2 dry coatings and 1 wet coating. The first dry coating is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now we're going to mix our second coating, which is the wet coating. We're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, and 2 cups of club soda. If you do not have club soda in your place, you can use 7-Up. Don't mix club soda or 7-Up. Without this, you'll get a different outcome. Mix well, then set aside. We're gonna move on to our third coating. We're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour again, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, about half teaspoon of ground pepper, then sprinkle a little bit of salt. We're done with our coatings. First coating, second coating, and third coating. Okay guys, we're ready for frying. First, we have to roll the chicken here in the first coating, which is the plain flour. And then we can now dip on the second wet coating. And then lastly, on the third one, we have to roll again on the seasoned coating. When frying, make sure that the oil is hot. When you get the exact temperature, lower down the heat into medium before letting your chicken swim on the oil. This way, you will not burn the chicken. Let's do it one more time. Coat the chicken on the first coating, then dip on the second coating, then on the last seasoned coating. Then let the chicken swim on the oil. Now let's check our chicken. How does it look like? You can see how crispy and flaky it is. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. You can find the subscribe button below this video. We all know that a good and delicious fried chicken is not complete without a gravy on the side. So let's make some gravy. This is the perfect sauce of fried chicken. Bring out one more pan, heat it, and put 1 tablespoon of butter. Add 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, about half teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, then add it to the mixture. Mix well and wait until it becomes thick. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, let's make cooking fun and enjoyable.